Hi, so just a brief update. This is my son Matthew's XT125R big wheel, recovered from his grandmother's garage. She recently passed and we've had to give the garage back, and in doing so it's ended up at garage number 1. So, you know, it's been in a garage for just over 12 years, and this is exactly as I pulled her out this afternoon on Monday the 17th of June. Let's just take a quicker look. Considering she's been in nothing more than the average garage and she's not been touched for over 12 years, the piston's free, the chrome below the sanctions, the yokes are good. There is a little bit of bright work to repaint, but those foot peg hangers are a chrome paint rather than a chrome finish. Control gear's good. The original Yamaha mirrors are good. The seat's good. Everything leads me to believe that once she's been deeply cleaned and the oil has been dropped and a new battery, which I bought for her a month ago and has been on charge, bit of air in the tyres, she'll be fit for her first MOT in, I'd say, 12 to 15 years. 2008 Yamaha. So yeah, if you like these sort of videos, I promise I'll do another one when I get her running and I'm in the workshop with her, but please think about hitting the like and subscribe button. But 2008 XT125R big wheel, she will be for sale once I've recommissioned her with an MOT. Thanks for watching. Ride safe, everybody.